Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines in English for 20th April. First of all, national news. Electricity crisis in 12 states due to coal shortage. Maharashtra Minister. WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicine will come up in Gujarat's Jamnagar. IMF slashes India's growth forecast to 8.2% in 2022 to 23 over Russia-Ukraine war concerns. Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey will succeed General M.M. Naravane, whose tenure ends on April 30, has family roots in Nagpur, son serving in Air Force. Sensex rises over 200 points, Nifty trades above 17,250. Amid markets free fall, investors' wealth worth 8 lakh crore wiped out. And now some international news. China reported more than 20,000 new COVID cases, 7 new deaths from COVID-19 in Shanghai on Tuesday. Russia seeks medical equipment from India as war disrupts trade. WHO is struggling to deliver generators to Ukraine hospitals amid war. Nearly 5 million people left Ukraine amid Russian invasion. Guitar that broke Oasis up to be auctioned on May 17 in Paris. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson apologized to Parliament on Tuesday as he faced lawmakers for the first time since he was fined by police for breaking his own COVID-19 lockdown rules, a government official said. And now some sports news. IPL 2022 Delhi Capital match versus Punjab Kings shifted from Pune to Mumbai due to COVID cases in DC camp. Best T20 player in the world, Michael Vaughan's huge praise for England batter. Barcelona's place in La Liga's top 4 looks much less secure after they suffered a surprise 1-0 defeat at home to relegation battling Cadiz on Monday. Let's have a look on weather. The weather on 20th April in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 33 degrees Celsius. During the evening and nighttime, the temperature will drop to 28 degrees Celsius. And that's all for today. Thank you to all of you. Take care.